Good morning. We are on a hike up City Creek Canyon. It's raining, so we've brought our umbrellas and our rain gear, and we're going to enjoy some really pretty leaves. You can see there's some pretty leaves up there, and we chose this because it's mainly just a paved road that goes up, so we won't have to worry about mud.
Except for right now.
Except for right now. All right, off we go.
All right, see ya.
Great day. The canyon is closed to cars and it's closed to bikes, so we get to just have this little road all to ourselves and enjoy these colors and the sound of the stream. And it's a very light rain, but we have our umbrellas. It's just a beautiful day for a hike. Of little bathrooms up here. It's great. Yeah, I think it got dead. There's just so many pretty leaves. Boy, we are so glad that we brought these umbrellas. We just threw them in at the last minute and it's been coming down steady the entire time. So we've been pretty wet even with our rain gear on. So we're glad we brought them. We're in a watershed area and this looks like some sort of a processing plant for that. There we go. Yep, it's for water. So there's some of our city water being processed. Three and a half. Okay, so we have made it for 5 miles up, which means we will get 10 miles round trip. We have only seen...
That's how it's supposed to work.
There's a little side trail that goes back to our car that we'll take going down. I think comes up from where we parked maybe a mile.
Yeah, about a mile.
So we'll get that little extra.
Yeah. You can see that.
So we're stopping here because there is a rifle hunt for deer this weekend, and they're able to go be just beyond this spot. So we decided we wouldn't want to we don't want to chance that. He's wearing a bright color, I'm not. Maybe we... Oh, you blend in with the leaves.
Yeah.
I guess we better not go. So this has just been absolutely beautiful, and we've had most of it all to ourselves.
It's been cool.
And beautiful colors. Yeah, it's perfect weather actually, other than the rain. But we've got our umbrellas, so we're good.
Yep. Okay. Thumbs up.
Okay.
Time to go back.
We're gonna head down now. So that's super cool. Lots of places to stop if you need to for the facilities, and it doesn't damage the environment. And one of the reasons, well, the reason why bicycles aren't allowed today is because of the deer hunt. So the way this canyon works is on the even days are walking and odd days are bikes.
Okay, so the elevation, we didn't do it at the very top, but we did it just below the top where we turned around, and it's 5,650. So we'll see what it is when we get back to the start.
So you've probably seen the picnic sites that we've been traveling past. I actually don't know how many there are total. I'll put that down in the corner.
The one at the top is 23.
Yeah, but I think there's some more beyond that.
Sure there are.
So we'll find out how many, and I'll put them in the just on the screen there. But it's a beautiful place to come for a picnic. There's no overnight camping allowed, but you can come up for an all day or evening picnic with a family or maybe a big group. Great place to come. So we made it to the little bridge that crosses over to the trail. This is just at about 1 mile up, so we just reached 9 miles up and back, and we're going to take this little trail that I think will take us back to our car. Nice little rustic trail. Am I going to go under or over? I think I'm going to go over. We don't have our poles. Would be helpful. Look at this, it looks like we found the pipeline that brings the water down to the city. So there you go. Fresh water in there. Well, we didn't know this was going to be a little scramble over branches. Woo! Yeah, I think this is the trail. Oh, you can do it. Sideways feet. I know. Oh my goodness. You did it! I'm pretty sure this is the trail. It's buried in roots and trees and leaves, but I think this is the trail. I think this is the trail. Well, it looks like a trail. So we lost the trail. We have no idea. There has to be a trail in here somewhere.
What's that?
Thoughts?
Oh my gosh, let's not do that again. We survived.
Your pants. Yeah, you did some sliding. Yeah, so we came across and we came up there. Well, we did it. I know there's a trail there somewhere.
We just didn't.
But I think we don't attempt it if you can't see it. Too far away and I can't get you in.
Yeah. We survived.
So that was our adventure. And it was an adventure. We got a little muddy and a little wet, but we have no idea where that trail is. We lost it.
Where it actually goes, if it does at all.
Okay, just for the record, this is the trail coming up from the car that we thought would come back around and connect. There you go. If you want to come on a non-bike day, stay on trail. Well, we tried, didn't we? We have no idea how to get back. So, it's alright. We made it back down.
If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more. See you soon!